ngiyajabula ukuthi ukhona kunabasaza aba-3 uthena ivoice ngifuna ukufaka i-creativity why ngizobabala uShell mfowethu Malakwane kube uDJ Sbu bese kuba uTata uyabona uShele i-creativity man yuke idlozi la kubona uNkulunkulu wamsiza wanesikole if mina ngithi ngisuke ngihlekela ngathi ngathithiza kanti ngiyafunda ngidlala uShele befaka isikole afaka i-creativity athi voice yami I understand wangafuna ukuba uKansas wafuna ukuba uyena
oh yes
ne
yes
DJ Sbu kana ivoice ye radio
yes khosha
uTata kana ivoice ye radio
yes
ne
yes
ay ebese lena ngizoyisho ayi ngithenga amehlo kaphakade udlala ngenkotha dlala ngolimi dlala ngenkotha dlala ngolimi mina ngikhuluma ngomamvulano lele phansi koqandayo ebusuku benza sure angitshela ukuthi uphakade beshoko lokhu nalokhu nalokhu into ayenza ngama voices zabo bathatha i-creativity umfishana uMessi kodwa khona ayenza ngebhola manje selukuyena i-problem umthathe uphakade umfake kusiganga ngoma abe noTata
yes
ucabanga thina ngazi bacabanga mhlawumbe ingqondo ayi problem uyinkinga mayephaselwa emoyeni okay ngokwe radio sihlehleni kunabasazi abawuthuka kwathiwa ama terrible twins ivoice Kansas was not a voice of radio ayinikeza uMalakwane kuye university unencwadi behind incwadi yakhe uyafunda ebusuku uyabhala the minute emnikeza uthi nginengqwele ze-studio but it doesn't mean ukuthi funa menginikeza indukathi ibhethi nathi gijima ebese igijima ithathe ibeke kwi-roof wenza ukuthi bayibuyela kwingqwele ibuyisela ithathe nayise phezulu that's creativity today is a living legend amaciko KZN but athini kukhona ilegend esaphilayo usekhona uLady D ophilayo uze kuphakade mina anginawo umona angidalwa ngumona
yes
uze kuphakade ophumile emsakazweni now mombeke stage nabasakazi beminye imisakazo iproblem wenza ithathe i-creativity so le voice so kuhambe no awudingi ivoice ka Treasure Shabalala awudingi ivoice ka Grant Chakwane no
yensekolo
no you read you research you get on air if ngiphi Mandla Malakwane ebusuku ngo12 ngangiba ne problem because how can I take i-program yami iye kwenye level because uyibekela engcupheni khona methi ngiyanithanda nonke emakhaya emva kwami ukhona Linda sibuya ngishiya naye ngiyenza njani ukuthi abaleli bakhe ngihambe nabo bangapheli endleleni
usuke nabo ngo12 uGamanxele ngale qhubeka Mlindosi
ngiza kanjani so lamadoda ane creativity i-radio so ekudumeni ke izokushaya leyo ngene emsakazweni ufuna ukuduma ungafuni ukudunyiswa abalaleli u2 minutes wakho ngize wonke ngivala ngize bafowethu bekuyi problem mawungekho ekseni ngenza i-breakfast show ngithi i-traffic ungekho hayi bekuyi problem because I knew ukuthi i-traffic yakho ubufuwenza i-traffic kodwa i-traffic yakho ibe ne-creativity ivoice yakho inokukhathala phakathi ivoice yakho ushihlaya the traffic but awuhleki kodwa sizwe i-traffic but ukhona ukuhleka phakathi uyivale khona uZandile Temba uyokhumbula uyokhumbula umntaka Temba khona umlalelo wangibhalela wabhala
ushone kakhulu kathi umphefumulo wakhe ofana nokuthula uleyo nto kodwa vele iyafana nokuthi
kaya khona bo shele phakathi khona umlalelo wabhala incwadi wathi hey ebengekho namhlanje umsweli we-traffic noma ishilo sibanibani kodwa ngihambe kusho ukuthi ubukathatha i-traffic ngokuyifunda ubufaka usawuti uphinde wenze sure ukuthi i-presentation yami on air kufanele ibe njani